Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a flood of ideas?
No!
What if I told you that there's a simple way to organize your thoughts and boost your creativity? Today, we're diving into how to create mind maps with Mapify, a powerful tool that transforms your ideas into structured visual maps. Mind mapping is a visual representation of information, allowing you to organize thoughts clearly and creatively. Whether you're planning a project, studying for exams, or brainstorming new ideas, mind maps can help you see the big picture while keeping details organized. First things first, head over to Mapify's website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard that makes it easy to start creating. Mapify offers a variety of templates to kickstart your mind mapping journey. From simple layouts to more complex structures, pick one that suits your needs. This will save you time and help you focus on your content. Now comes the fun part, adding your ideas. If you're new to the platform, Mapify's AI-assisted idea generator can even help jumpstart your process by providing topic suggestions based on a few keywords you enter. Let's say your goal is to learn how to create a faceless YouTube channel. Start by entering this topic as the main idea in your mind map. Then click Mapify to generate the idea, and here is the generated mind map. Now, you can also see some branches for each key element, like channel niche, content creation tools, engagements, and monetization. You can add or delete some elements. This structure gives you a clear overview of everything you'll need. Change colors, add icons, or adjust shapes to make important ideas stand out. This not only makes your map more engaging, but also helps in retaining information. If you're working with a team, Mapify's collaboration feature lets you share your mind map in real time. Invite others to contribute ideas or make edits, enhancing creativity and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once your mind map is complete, you can easily export it in various formats like PDF or image files. New users get access to a limited number of features to explore the platform risk-free. Pricing plans starts from around $9.90 per month for personal plans. Business users or teams can upgrade to Pro plans with collaboration features, analytics, and additional templates. This is perfect for sharing with colleagues or saving for future reference. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can transform your ideas into organized mind maps using Mapify. Remember, mind mapping not only helps in organizing thoughts, but also boosts your creativity and productivity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using productivity tools like Mapify.